Hello guys, I am Aryan and today in this video we are gonna learn HTML and CSS in depth. Before we start the video, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for more notification of our videos. Well, in this first episode we are gonna learn basics and definitions of HTML and CSS. Let's dive in. Okay, now what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of any website. It structures the content. Okay, and what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It's like a wardrobe stylist for your website. It makes everything look great, colorful and beautiful. Why you need to learn HTML and CSS? With these two skills, you can build personal projects, career website, or even start a web development career. Before we go to tutorial, we need to set up the environment for the development. Okay, we need to install a software called Visual Studio Code, and I will give the download link in description. You can go to description link and download Visual Studio Code, and of course it's free and highly popular. Okay, and we need to download an extension called HTML CSS supporter. So for the better code suggestion, okay, and you need to open any browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox or etc. Okay guys, we are on the Visual Studio screen and now let's learn how to create a new file. Okay, in your file manager you should make a new folder for this. Okay, I kept my name, YouTube channel name A.K.S Informer. I made a new folder. In this folder you need to save the HTML file. So go to Visual Studio Code and click on file. Click on new text file. So this pop-up opens. New untitled tab. Click on select a language and type HTML. And now save this file. Click on file and click on save. So save as file pop-up opens. Go to the folder. Okay, and save it as index instead of untitled one. Save it as index. Okay, in this tab we should need to work on HTML. Now click on file again and click on again new text file. Click on new text file, click on select a language and now type CSS. Click on this and save this file. Save the file as style, STYLE, style. After saving it, here we need to work for HTML and here CSS. Now let's move to the next topic. Okay guys, today in this episode we are gonna learn just basics of HTML. In further episode I will teach you CSS. Just today we'll learn HTML basics. Okay, so we need to type a tag called tag. Okay, so we need to type a tag called doc type. So we need to type a tag called doc type. Okay, so this alligator sign, inside alligator sign and doc type. So we have suggestion here. Click on doc type. So this is the first tag. Okay, so this tag ensures that our project is HTML5 and click on enter. Again open the tag, a new tag. We should write tag HTML. Okay, close the tag. So you can see two tags came automatically, a open tag and close tag. Okay, so click on enter. Now we need to create another two tags. Okay, one tag called T head and another tag called body. Okay, this is the basic format of the HTML. So this doc type HTML ensures that this project is HTML5, the latest version of HTML. And head, what this head determines. Okay, so this head determines whatever content will be at this side. Okay, and body will be at this side. Okay, so we are gonna learn it in detail in next episode. Okay, in this episode we learned basic format of HTML. Okay, so in next episode we'll dive deeper into HTML and learn how to use tags, element and attributes to build our structure of web page. Okay, today we learned how to set up environment for the development of HTML and also learned the format for the HTML document. So in next episode we'll learn more, but before that you need to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for next episodes and more videos. Till then, bye bye.